I do it my way. I do it my way. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome you guys, all the return subscribers, and those ones who haven't subscribed. This is the high time to do it because we always do tutorials every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, so today we're going to look at on how to do extended dreadlocks, and these are temporary dreadlocks. So I would like you to give me a time so that we do this together, and I hope you will learn something from it. And please, if you have any question about it, you can just go in my comment section, play, and you write for me a comment, or maybe something that you'd like to ask. I'll be there to answer it. So now let's start with our hair. As you have been saying, like, we washed it, and I'm trying to blow dry it. You know, when you're blow drying the natural hair, you don't need to use that heat like the way we always use the relaxed hair. So this is what I'm trying to do to see that it is all very okay for me, because we're going to do something that will last longer. So our hair need to be blow dried, and it need to be very clean. So this is our molding gel, and this one, I always tell you that this one help for me to collect all the hair together. And you can see how I'm trying to use it. And today's case, the hair is natural, though it is somehow not it doesn't have that volume at all. It is in the 4C. So I'm going to try to show you how you can lock it. So as you're rolling this size, we're going to first use the cross locking, just like that, you see. Yes, because sometimes this first line is always very soft, so you just have to roll it like this, and then you just lock it in the cross method, just like that. Yes, this one help. It doesn't make it now whenever you're trying to add the extension, it cannot come out. And trust me, I always tell you that, guys, when you're trying to lock these dreads, please make sure you leave that inch, the quarter inch, for the space of the extension, because sometimes people always do this myth. They do the same mistake in that. Sorry about the noise. Like, they do the same mistake of locking up to the skin, and then when you're trying to get the extensions, like, it becomes very hard. It becomes very hard for you. It becomes very hard and brings all that pain. So you should always mind about leaving that half inch behind. And another thing is, please try to make sure your boxes are well arranged. Yes, because we have been having this problem. You find someone is doing natural dreads, very natural. You know, when you do natural dread, that means unplaiting it, you'll have to cut it off. But these ones that are temporarily, you can unplait them and still you stay with your hair protective. So we have been having that problem of you find someone is doing this the dreadlocks, and at the first place they lock them badly, like they don't arrange them nicely. So you reach on the extent of, like, you find it not smart, and yet it's already plaited. So that will need you to first leave it to grow some growth, and then you cut it. Then they will have to repeat everything. So for you not to face all that, you just have to get someone who can arrange them very nicely. So when you come at this other lane, this one has got some volume. The hair has got some volume. That's why I'm trying to lock it once. As you can see, I lock it once, and this is called the V method locking. So it's like the V method and the cross method for the soft hair, and the V method for the hair with the volume. Because now this one, I can't just lock it with the I can't lock it with the cross method when it has got that a bigger volume. It is that will be too tight. So you see that I lock it once, and those ones that you see, they still have some spaces. You can still lock them twice, you understand? So this is how you can keep on locking your dreads, just like that. You see, very simple, very simple. Yes, so you can see the space is already there, and when I reach here in front, here there is something that I would like to advise you guys. When you're trying to lock in front, please try to get some good like some like a lot of hair, because when you try to, let's say, like those people say that I want it overpacked. When we overpack, that means you have to hold little hair, and remember, this hair is going to take long time, or it's going to take a long time. And now, if the hair you held was small, that means this extension that you have used to put there, it might break it. So that's why I would advise you guys always to hold some good volume of hair, like the way you can see this one. It is strong enough to hold the other extension up to all that long it's going to stay. So there's no need to overpack, like mostly here in front. You have to, maybe you can overpack when you're going to use smaller volume of the hair. So this is how we are doing our hair. Oh yes, so now we're done with our locking. So this is how it looks. You can see how smart it is, and we are going on the next step of locking our dreadlocks. So yes, I told you this is temporarily, and anytime you can unlock them and remain with your hair very neat. Wow. So let's get it on with our kinky, just like that. And then you just have to cross it this way, and you divide this into 3 portions, like that. Then you add them this way, then you start. Locking is always both sides, like down and on top. Yes, guys, I've been hearing you guys asking me how to unlock these dreads, but it's very simple, very simple. You can just go on my previous video. I already uploaded this video showing you how to unlock these dreadlocks. Yes, you can go and check it out, how to unlock them, and you prove it yourself to see how your hair can be protective and how you're going to remain with it. So this is how we just lock it just down. I do this because, like, I think at least I know most of you guys know how to do this locking. It's just up and down, up and down. That's how I always lock that hair, using the hair. And when you're done from down, it's like this: down, up, down, just like that. Very simple. Now, to those who have been following me, you now know this step. But the mistake now, what I'm saying is, maybe we should always try to check it out on the way we arrange these boxes. It is what we should always check, because when we learn that, it is going to help us a lot. So this is how it is. And I like it so much. I love it so much. So now we're done with this. You can see how it is, and then you just have to lock here, just like that. Let's try something in front because it is also very important. Then when you're locking, you lock it from the sides, just like that, and then you try to divide this into 3 portions, like this. Then you hold it together. So when you hold that together, you start locking, that is up and down, up and down. Yes, this one we do it to use our own hair, and whenever like the hair that your own hair is done, you just have to get that small kinky, like the one we've been using for the hair, then you start locking that. So this is how we do the extended dread, and trust me, for them, they don't break your hair and they can be unplaited. So for today, was how, like, this is what I just wanted to tell you. And you guys, if you want to see how to unplait this hair, you can go and check it out on my other previous video. You will see how to unplait these dreads. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I love you so much. Keep loving Maurice, the crochet master. Bye bye.